If you haven't used PATCHS before, we hope you'll find it a quick and easy way to contact the surgery.
To get started, you'll need to create an account. You can sign up using your email address or your NHS login. We would recommend using your NHS login because it links directly to your medical records.
Go to your GP practice website and click the PATCHS banner. Then select the Contact My GP Practice button to open the login page. On the login page, choose either NHS login or email. Then select Create an account as a patient and enter your personal details. Please make sure your contact information is up to date. After entering your details, create your account and verify it using the email we send you. If you do not see the email, remember to check your spam or junk folder.
If you're submitting a request for someone under 16 or for a patient who cannot contact the practice themselves, you must be registered as their carer at the same GP practice. To make a request for someone you care for, click Make a Request and choose Someone I Care For. Add the patient's details once, and then you'll be able to submit requests on their behalf.
Once your PATCHS account is verified, you can start sending requests directly to your GP practice. Including plenty of detail helps our clinicians respond quickly and make the best decisions for your care.